In Wales, we're proud of our unique law on children's human rights. I'm proud of the part Swansea University played in getting this law passed by the National Assembly for Wales. I'm proud that Swansea University helped our local council, City and County of Swansea, to commit to children's human rights in everything they do.
Certainly the first in Wales, definitely the first in the UK, probably the first in Northern Europe. So it's a massive day today.
Social services, education, street scene, everything to do with roads and parks, they'll have to become focused around the individual. And with UNCRC, those individuals will be children.
These were special and significant steps, and we celebrate them. But having a law is only a start. What's the good of having a right if you can't exercise it? Rights of children should be exercisable by children. We work with lots of partners, but we've learned that one of the most powerful resources we have is children and young people themselves. When we involve them, transformations happen.
Okay, so is everybody pressed? There we go. So 4% of you are not awake.
Transformations in the way we problem solve, the impact we can achieve, and transformations in the lives of children and young people who get involved.
My dream is that young people can recognise the signs of mental health problems, understand mental health problems, and have the tools to support their friends, family and peers.
Involving people takes resource. That's challenging in times of fiscal austerity. Funky Dragon, the Young People's Assembly for Wales, faces massive challenges, having lost its core government funding.
So we're a completely peer-led organisation, and our management committee also has young people on that. And our young chair is actually a young person as well. And they're working really hard to kind of look at what the future is and what's possible.
I'm determined to use their work as a blueprint for others who are trying to accomplish these really youth-driven organizations.
Local projects where children and young people do amazing, transformative work are struggling to survive. When we don't invest in participation, we deprive ourselves of all its benefits. We involved young people in our 2014 conference as planners, researchers, hosts, facilitators, trainers, advocates and co-producers. In Barbara Bennett Woodhouse's phrase, it's about children working.
The UN Convention is trying to remind us that children are people, not some kind of object that you should move around on a chessboard, but they have ideas of their own.
So we want to grow a global academy for human rights of children and young people. And in our global academy, we want children and young people to be full participants in the enterprise.
Thanks for attending the workshops, day 1 and 2, if you were here twice. Basically, my experience is I've never done this before. I was nervous yesterday, and I'm not.
In the end, it's they, not we, will have to follow the roadmaps that emerge.